Alright, so what's up? So some of you guys may know that I work inside of a phone store. This is not mine. Now I'm about to put you guys on game. So you guys see all these screen protectors right here? Right here, right? Now, what you can do is go ahead and buy something from AliExpress, eBay, whatever. Pack of 10. Now, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, what? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Over here, these boys kinda iffy pricey. You know, they're kinda pricey on these screen protectors. And honestly, it's terrible. They charge $20 for one. And people pay these prices, like $20 for one, $25 for privacy, and with the install.